a claim? Can a machine get listed on a patent by its name? The answer today is simple. The law is very clear. A human must be the inventor to get patent rights right here. AI is a tool. It's not the one in control. You ask the questions, you define the goal. Use the tools, but on the road, go big, go bold. AI can help with research, help you search and learn, help you find the prior art at every single turn. It can help explore solutions, help ideas unfold, but the inventor is the person directing where it goes. The future may look different 10 years down the road. Rules may change, new policies may grow, but right now the inventor is still a human soul, the one making decisions, the one setting the goal. A lab that's always on, a powerful assistant helping you move along. But tools don't get the credit for what the builder made. The inventor is the thinker who pointed out the way. AI is a tool.